Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add contact information in Samsung A36 or A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and you want to add contact information in your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your device settings. In settings, just go for lock screen, tap on it. From here, just select contact information and here you will open a dialog box just like this. Here you can easily enter your phone number, email or Gmail which you want. As I'm going to enter, for example, this one. Just enter that, then select done from here. And now whenever you open your lock screen, it will show you just like here. So that's how you can easily add your phone contact information on your Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.